In this section, we are going to practice while loop, and we have exercise that you see on the screen. So using while loop, how can I produce these equations? So let's analyze let's see what is going on right now. So it looks like we have 11 different lines. So it starts from the 0, it continues with a 1, 2, and all the way to the 10. So it gives me idea that my loops was repeated 11 times. Okay, that is the case 1. The case 2, let me analyze each of them and let's see what is constant and what is being changed. You see, so that line, that number 1 is a constant because it was printed all the time. This plus was constant, it was printed all of them in the same condition. And also I have this equation. The only thing was changing, I have a variable, this one, and also as a result. So this portion, it looks like it has a variable, and the last one has a variable as well. So let's see, how we can do in the while loop. And I will just select the variable. Let me call it y. The y is equal to 0 because I want to start from the 0. You see, so right now that is my first variable and I will start from here. So I will say that while y is, I can say less or equal to 10. You see, so I want to get this 10 included. Or in a different way, what you can do is while the y is less than 11. So both cases are perfectly working. So right now I want to print. So what I'm going to print, you see? So right now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different symbols. Some of them are constant, some of them should be changing all the time. So let me see what is the constant. I will say 1 plus. And you see, I just put it as a string because I feel that there is no need to keep changing that. After that, I will say y. You see? So right now, let's just focus on the first one and it will be easy to understand the rest of them. You see? So right now, I have 1 plus. That is the 0. The y was a 0. You see? I just assigned that in the beginning. And I have an equal. I will say also, can you print the equal for me? Equal, and after that I want to print the result. So whatever it is here, so 1 plus y, I will say 1 plus y. Okay, that is perfect. But if I run it right now, it will be the loop will go infinity because the y is not changing. You see, if I print it, it will come back again and it will double check. Is the y still less than 11? What is the y? Y is a 0. Yes, the 0 is less than 11. It is going to print it. It will come back again. You see, the y didn't change. So here somehow we need to reassign. We need to change the y. Now I'll say y is plus equal to 1. Or in a different way, let me put the hashtag here. What you can say, the y is equal to y plus 1. So either that way, I mean, you can write in a this format, or if you want, you can write as a this format. So let me just delete that one and it is going to print. So if I print all of them, you see I have 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to all the way to the 1 plus 10 is equal to 11. And here my loop was stopped, so it was interrupted.